Are you ready to take your content to the next level? Imagine turning any dull web page or blog post into a captivating video effortlessly. Well, now you can, thanks to the power of AI. With a click of a button, watch as AI analyzes and interprets your content, transforming it into stunning visuals and engaging animations. From static text to vibrant imagery, your message comes to life in a matter of minutes. Whether it's a product review, a how-to guide, or a thought-provoking article, AI effortlessly converts it into an outstanding video. If you'd like to elevate your storytelling with AI-powered video creation, let's dive in. The tool that we will use to turn a blog post into a video is called Save AI. It's a free tool and it doesn't require adding a credit card to use it. To get started with this tool, just click on the link in the description, which will redirect you to this page. And on this page, click on Try Now. Here, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email to sign up. After signing in, you'll be redirected on its dashboard, which will look like this. Now here, you can see all the various features of this tool. So you can be able to convert text to animation. You can convert text to video. You can convert voice to video. You can also generate a talking head video. You can convert a blog to video, a blog to animation, a page URL to video, page URL to animation, a tweet to video, and the last one is PowerPoint to video will be available soon. Now we want to convert a blog into a video. I'm going to use this blog post example. Let us try and convert this blog post into a video. Copy the link of the post and then on Save AI where it says blog to video, here's where we will paste the link and then click on proceed. So over here you can see the source content and here is the AI content. Now you can edit the post right here. You can also change the length from small to medium to large. So if you like to make a video with a slightly larger duration, you can change right here. So let's say we want a large video. So you can see where AI sourced the scripts from our blog post. So this one was sourced right here. If you want to remove it, you can click on the X sign right here. When you have gone through the AI content script that Steve AI just generated and you're satisfied, click on proceed. You'll enter the topic of your videos. Most luxurious hotels. Our type of video, we want a live video. Source image and videos, we can say free. Then you can add music, you can add auto highlights. You can also add a voiceover. So here you can choose the language, which is English. You can also choose an accent. Right here I'll choose an American accent. Gender, let's choose female. And the voice, we can choose any of these voices right here. So
hello, I am Elizabeth from Steve.
I like Elizabeth. Now click on generate a voice and then click on next. Here you'll see the different templates that you can use to generate the video. You can choose from horizontal, square, or vertical templates. I'll choose this one. On Workspace, you can change the layout, color, transition, and scene timer right here. For example, if you like to edit scene 1, you can change the layout right here. So I'll use this layout. You can also change the transitions, you can change the scene timer, and you can do this to the rest of the scenes. Now, if everything looks perfect, you can click on Publish to start creating your video. CVI just generated our video for us. Let us preview our video.
Here is a list of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. As the tallest tower in the world, the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah is an architectural marvel and a symbol of Dubai's opulence. Its opulent suites are furnished with the finest materials and feature stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. The hotel is also home to multiple award-winning restaurants, including Al Muntaha, located 200 meters above the sea level. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. The Emirates Palace is a masterpiece of Arabian luxury. The sumptuous suites and rooms are adorned with exquisite furnishings and offer stunning views of the Arabian Gulf.
This tool is not a free tool. To download your video, you will need to upgrade and download your video. The basic plan is $15 and the starter pack is $45. Thank you for joining me today as I explore the incredible possibilities of transforming web pages into captivating videos with the help of AI. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about harnessing the power of AI for content creation, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts or any questions you may have. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating and innovating with AI. See you in the next video. Goodbye.